Welcome guys, so today I am with the Honor Magic 4 Pro and I'm going to show you a few camera tricks. So the first, when you open the camera application, we'll find here a lot of useful options, like for example, as you can see in this place, we can find the zoom feature. So we can switch between ultra-wide lens, normal lens, 3.5x and also 10x. And by the way, that's the quality of this zoom, but unfortunately we cannot catch focus, it's too close. So maybe it's not the best example, but if you want to go closer, you can just simply use this slider. And as you can see, with this slider we can go even for the 100 times. Okay, let's go for the normal zoom, just like that. And another option that I want to show you, it's for sure tapping on the screen and then adjust the brightness level. So we can make it with the slider. We can increase or decrease the brightness level. When you click in this place, you will be able to add different filters. As you can see, they change color and the temperature. If you want to take photo with this one, just click on the shutter and there it is. If you want to power off this option, just go here and select this one. When you click and hold on the shutter, you will be able to take series of the photo. And when you use the volume buttons, this one and this one, take a look. You can also take photos by these buttons. And when you are gonna hold it, volume up or volume down, as you can see, nothing is going to happen. So we can only use them as a shutter. Click once. Right now we can simply open the settings, because right here we can find other options. For example, we are able to increase the resolution of our video even to the 4K with 21:9, and right here we can even switch to the 60 frames per second. You can also add some kind of the timer, like 2, 5 or 10 seconds. And right now, one tap on the shutter, after this time the photo will be taken. We can also go back for the settings and find another option. It's a floating shutter button. So as you can see right now, we can find right here the second shutter, and we can also use it like this one. To turn it off, you have to open the settings and then power off by the switcher. Another option we'll be able to find in the more modes. It appears right here. So as you can see, we can find here a couple of the different options, like for example, that's the high resolution mode. And this mode gives us more details on the photo, so we can try it how it looks. And we can do the same but without this mode, so we can make a comparison. Okay, photo was taken. Let's take a look on the first one. There it is. As you can see, quality is really good on the first one, and on the second one, this high resolution mode. Oh yeah, right here you can spot definitely more details, and also we can zoom in a little bit closer. So that's probably one of the most useful features that we can find in the smartphone. And when you open the more modes, you will also find other options. Like for example, you can find the super macro mode. So take a look, it's enabled right now, right? And when I'm gonna show my hand, we can go very close. As you can see, you can spot some details on my hand. Also right here. That's really nice macro photography actually. So yeah, I think that's all for the camera tricks for the Honor Magic 4 Pro. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.